So here, this is our YouTube channel videos. So in your Twitter account, you have to schedule by your post. In a previous, we can discuss one option is called when you schedule post by Facebook page, automatically schedule by your Twitter. Suppose I'm not using for Facebook page. I'm not scheduled by Facebook page to Twitter. I can schedule direct into Twitter account. Direct into Twitter account. So Twitter is showing for option is called Twitter cards. Which one? Twitter cards. Second option is will be called who shoot option. This called who shoot option means that is called decided by your calendar by scheduled post purpose. This is called social media calendar. One is we can using by here is option and using for Twitter cards. First you can select any one video here. So I'm selecting for just select it. Go for Twitter ads. When you're creating for ads, is enable one option is called Twitter cards. Select this option. Only possible by schedule using for Twitter cards. When enable Twitter cards, when you're creating for 1 to 3 ads will be created after Twitter cards will be enabled. So can do cards, card library. Create a card. What the option call is website card. Adding for your YouTube URL, video URL. This one. Copy. Paste. Adding for image here. Inserting for image. No. Create. So any video, first of all, image is important and your YouTube, your important and your title important. Tweet here. So what are my option call is schedule post. If coming to Facebook, how many months you can schedule your post? 6 months. So in your Twitter, you can schedule post, no limit of time. No limit of time. Just scroll down, schedule, select it, this. Any limit? You no limit for your Twitter account. Just come back. Here no backdate post. Is it clear? So today by 12:05, the time will be scheduled by this time. Change your. This is following by the year's time. So suppose I am changing for 7 a.m. Click for schedule post. This is followed by specific time. So here will be schedule your post. Where you check. Click for this option. The post will be there here. The post by done after exactly this time. Specific 7 a.m. The 7 a.m. our time will be considered by your India. Is it clear? This is called schedule your post by using Twitter option. That is only for when enable Twitter cards or else Facebook to Twitter or else third option is called Hood Shoot. Please note down Hood Shoot toolbar.